Abraham. Life of Abraham. Judaism originated through the covenants of Abraham and Moses around 2000 BC. Abraham, the first father of patriarch of Judaism, responds to God's call and journeys to Canaan. The covenant with the patriarchs was an agreement between Abraham and God that he would be father of a great nation with many people and a land in exchange for faith in the single God. Other patriarchs are Isaac, Jacob, and Moses. The call of Abraham. The passage demonstrates a lot of faith, trust, obedience, and sacrifice between Abraham and God. These values are prominent in the passage. When Abraham was told by God to leave his home and his hometown and to move to some unknown land which God called the Promised Land, Abraham had no idea what was going on, but he had faith in this man. Abraham had faith in God from the first connection. They exchanged trust and obedience through sacrifices. The covenant and circumcision with God. Abraham is very trusting of God and to him. They have a strong bond through their covenant. He believes that God can make miracles happen until he mentions Sarah giving birth. Abraham in a way mocks God, but then he realizes that God can make miracles happen and he trusted in him. Abraham promises to follow only one God. Who was Abraham? Abraham was the most famous and known for his kindness and hospitality. Abraham had 8 kids, which were Isaac, Shua, Zimran, Ishbak, Ishmael, Midian, Jokshan, and Medan. Lived in a land called Haran with his wife called Sarai. Original name was Abram, but then changed it to Abraham because of the covenant with God. He was a prophet to the Jews and is important to the faith of the Jews. Other facts. Abraham agrees to change his name to show God his obedience to the covenant. Changing his name shows that Abraham's relationship with God includes trust, which is key in all relationships. What we learn about Abraham's relationship with God is that Abraham will not disobey God, even if that means killing his own son for him.